shared it, we both would have enjoyed it. Momo looked down, ashamed. I'm sorry, Mitthu. I let my greed control me. Mitthu smiled and handed him another fruit he had saved. Friendship and kindness are sweeter than any fruit. From that day on, Momo changed. He became generous and thoughtful, learning to share with others. Moral of the story: greed takes away what we already have.